Hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank account. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you want to do is to link your bank account in PayPal. So to do that, what you want to do is just go to the PayPal homepage right here, and then there will be a button right here that will allow you to link a card or a bank. So just click on that, and then from here you can either link a credit card or a bank account. So since this is a bank account tutorial video, I will link a bank account, and then from here what you want to do is just input the bank name, the bank code, and your account number, and then you can link your bank. So once you're done inputting the details, just click on link your bank right here. And then once you're done linking your bank account, what you want to do is just go to wallet right here. And then once you're in wallet, what you want to do is just click on send payments right here. And then from here, choose the bank account that you have inputted, and then just click on next. And then after choosing your bank account, you are now done. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to transfer your money from PayPal to your bank account.